Well, a new tiny home village in Interbay is ready to welcome its first residents this week. Bayside Village currently has 50 pallet shelters on site with 25 more on the way from accompanying Snohomish County. Fox 13's Alejandro Guzman takes us inside the warehouse where they're built, as the company's CEO says housing is only the first step in a much larger battle.
The shelters for Seattle were built up north in Everett. While the city of Seattle is expanding shelter, the CEO behind these pallet shelters says that when it comes to recovery and homelessness, there's something that communities are getting wrong. The sound of construction echoes through an Everett warehouse, where workers are busy building shelters. The same shelters now installed at Seattle's Bayside Village in Interbay. For CEO Amy King, shelter is only part of the mission.
This is just a product, it's a tool to help stabilize people. Today,
the Everett-based company has shelters up and running at 148 sites across the country, and recently partnered with Seattle for Bayside Village.
The whole process from start to finish has taken us about 8 weeks to get to where we can receive residents, which is pretty fast.
50 shelters are already in place, with another 25 expected later this month. Instead of wood framing and drywall, pallets use composite materials. She says the shelters are mildew, mold, and bed bug resistant. They can also be pressure washed, repaired panel by panel, and even relocated to another site if needed. While the shelters may be small, the debate around homelessness isn't.
The public is frustrated. I'm frustrated because the narrative for so long has been build more housing and homelessness will go away, and that's not true.
King believes homelessness has drastically changed over the last decade.
One thing that we're not talking enough about that has contributed to that evolution is fentanyl.
And over the years, the approach towards the crisis has become an argument of housing over treatment. King says it's both.
We need accountability programs for people who need them. We need housing first. We need low barrier. That's what Bayside is.
While some may only see the shelters, King says her company's mission starts with the people building them, employees coming out of homelessness, addiction, or incarceration.
People need purpose. They need money. They need the ability to get back on their feet.
In Seattle, I'm Alejandra Guzman.